Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, today we are talking about Uthandeka Dawn King. So Thandeka Dawn King is receiving backlash on social media because she donated food to Usne. We all know Usne by now. Usne is the girl that was trending, the one that slept with the guy from Limpopo, and then she started changing, looking like an old person. That one. So Tandega Don King saw the story, and it really touched her. And maybe like she was just thinking, what can I do to help this person, Because obvious, like she can't take her back to her youth. She cannot do that. Like the damage has already been done. She does not have magic. She can't perform miracles. She can just help wherever she can. So Uthandeka Don King decided to just buy groceries and donate to the family. And really, economy ya ka Ramaphosa, guys, we all need food. Like things are really bad. The prices are really up. So she bought food and went to donate food, and now people are coming for her on social media saying, Guti, how is food going to help in this situation? I don't understand. Like, Begmela Yenzeni, guys, what was she supposed to do? Because she can't change this lady to go back to her youth. This is the little that she can do instead of just doing nothing. But people are coming for her. Which was food really necessary? Of course, food is necessary, guys, in this economy. Like economy ya ka Ramaphosa, anything is necessary. So she just went there to donate with an open heart, but the backlash that she is receiving on TikTok, people are saying, sis, this was really not necessary. And look at this food, like it is like for I don't know, maybe 2 months there is at least they are going to push. But people are just not happy with what she did.